Hello. I want to make this video to encourage those of you out there who are feeling disheartened because your dreams in life seem to be unlikely to be realized. Well, don't lose hope. Remember Abraham and Sarah and the promise of Isaac. Now, some of you may feel like failures because it appears you're running out of time to create something meaningful to hand down to your loved ones. This may be in the form of wealth, a home, business, a legacy. The most important thing to leave behind is the memory that you love them and the sacrifice you made for them, but the few things that you did have. Even those of you who have lived dysfunctional lives and seem to have left more pain behind than anything else, you can find redemption in Christ. And your testimony can end up being just as important, if not more important than anything else. There is hope for everyone. The things of this world are only temporary. And although we should be responsible in taking care of these things, we should be primarily concerned with the things that are eternal. If we are able to pass down to our children an inheritance of riches, but have not prepared them for the life beyond the grave, we've only given them something short-lived and have failed them in the things that are everlasting. If, however, we are unable to leave behind many things, but have instilled in them a saving faith in Christ, they will have an eternal inheritance in the kingdom of heaven. And we have been totally successful in loving those who we love. And the ultimate reunion of all of you will be one of sublime happiness. It's for this reason that I wrote this song. Hopefully it'll be a song you can sing too. God bless you. I want to go out saying something. I want to go out singing like a bird. I want the world to know how Jesus saved my soul and think now that's the sweetest song I ever heard. I want to leave my children something so they can tell their children who I am. Sinner saved by grace, finally found a place to live in peace with the Lion and the Lamb. I want to sing some hope to someone, to assure them there is a God of love who will hear their cry and will not let them die, 'cause there's an everlasting heaven up above. Ooh, yeah. I want to sing some faith to someone and feel there is no hope to be found.
that God will show a way. All they have to do is pray and seek His kingdom. Things will come around. I want to sing some love to someone who feels broken hearted and alone. Tell them there's a friend who's faithful to the end, and call on Jesus, He won't let you down. I want to go out saying something. I want to go out singing like a bird. I want the world to know how Jesus saved my soul, and think now that's the sweetest song I ever heard. I want to go out singing like